everybody. This is a little talking head kind of video. We're going to bring to you what my thoughts are about EVGA leaving the video card market. From what stories are telling, it says EVGA will not carry the next generation graphics cards. EVGA will continue to support existing current generations. EVGA will continue to provide current generation products. EVGA will be committed to their customers and will continue to offer sales and support on current lineups. So basically what that means is that if you purchased an EVGA graphics card, then what's going to happen is that you're going to be able, if you have problems with it or something, I'm not sure if it's kind of a fuzzy line to me. You know, EVGA created a lot of graphics cards, right? What about the older generations or the newer generations, if you know what I mean? You know, you got the old generation, you got the new generation. I mean, is it the ones that are currently within a 3-year time period, 5-year time period, 7-year time period? You know, I'm sure all of that will come out. I'm just speculating on what I know so far. That's all I am doing, speculating. I didn't think I was going to do this video, but the thing is there's friends of mine and stuff, you know, people out there that want to know what's going on with EVGA. Are their cards going to be like thrown in the garbage if they break down or whatever? I'm going to be honest with you. It doesn't matter what manufacturer you go to. I'm going to be honest with you. No matter what manufacturer you go to, there's always going to be that rule of, are they going to discontinue? All manufacturers, in order for them to make money, they make a product line. After that product line, they discontinue the product line and move to the next product line. Okay, you never know what EVGA might have cooking in the background. It might be that, yeah, they're getting away from NVIDIA, like everybody's saying, but they could have something else cooking in the background. Something else. I mean, a man made of millions of dollars isn't going to walk away from a market that is booming right now. Okay, and it's going to boom even higher when all this comes back around, especially new lineups and everything else. Who's to say he's not in with Intel? Who's to say he's not in with AMD? You know, who's to say he's not creating his own cards? I mean, his own chips for his own cards. I mean, yeah, everybody just got the speculation of, you know, the man is a man, and the man's there to make money. Okay, the man is there to make money. So you have to understand that the man is there to make money, and he's just not going to walk away from a $1 billion business, especially a $1 billion business. He ain't going to walk away from that. No man in his right mind is going to walk away from that. So my speculation is that he's got something cooking in the background that's not being said, and then right down to the next year that he's going to open up something. He's going to open up a can of whoopums on somebody. Who's to say he can't come out with his new cards? Okay, you got to remember, China can take their information from different manufacturers and manufacture their own products within the matter of what, a year or less. They can take and build their own cards. I'm going to tell you something. Let me scoop you down here a little bit. Okay, I'm going to tell you something. I bought from China. Okay, I'm going to go get you the box. Well, I'm not going to get you the box. That's going to be boring. But I went and bought a motherboard from China. Actually, I bought two, but since shipping didn't send the second one to me, I only got one. Believe it or not, I only got one. I didn't get two, I got one. But I did get it with 32 gigabytes of ECC memory and, you know, with the processor, useless processor, but it worked. I put the computer together. It's for my friend, and down the road I'll show you all that computer that I built for my friend, just to let you know. But anyway, getting back to the point of EVGA and NVIDIA, I'm going to tell you something. I have two video cards that's NVIDIA cards. Two. And the reason why I only got two and the rest AMD is because I'm gonna bite my tongue on that one. I mean, they turn around, they break off their parts of their business and gives it to these other businesses like EVGA and so on, but then they get to these crappy card making companies, these off-market crappy hell with this. I'm going to get you the box. Hell with this. Sorry about that. I had to get you the box. Right here. Read that right there. Let me bring it up to you. See what it says? I bought two of these. Thinking that this, and don't ever buy from Kaer, Kaer. It's a GeForce GT 734 gigabyte video card made in China. Y'all hear that rattle? Okay, so basically what they gave me was, they gave me crap on crap. So all I got in the box was these two and the card that went in this bag. And that's all I got. And I did warn y'all last time and told y'all in the video. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna pull. This is from this right here. This is from Amazon. This is from Amazon. This is not worth the 2 cents that it's made with. Not worth 2 cents. It's not worth shit. Ooh, stuff. Sorry about that. Ugh, slip of the tongue. But anyway, I'm just letting y'all know this. Watch what you buy out on the market, okay? Watch what you buy. I'm warning you right now. You get crap like that up on the market. And Amazon should be ashamed of themselves. They're turning around selling graphics cards for prices I can't even afford. Yeah, I'm the kind of the consumer guy that doesn't that watches his pennies and everything else, because we all can't afford six, seven, $1,200, $2,500 graphics cards. Have you ever bought a $2,500 graphics card? Hell no, you ain't never bought it. You either had it given to you, or you had to kiss a lot of butt for it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right up right there. You did not buy, and I mean, if you even went to a store and bought that card with your own cash, you got to be crazy. $2,500 to pay your rent for a couple months. $2,500 do a lot of things. Okay, hey, if you got the money, that's your business. But think about the people that don't have the money. Think about the consumer that has to pinch and scrape and try to get that money. Prices on graphics cards were never like this years ago. Never like this. This is just insane. Insane crap. And they don't want to tell you they're still using most of the same chips on those boards for almost the newer graphics cards. You got a whole, when they say they got a whole series, that whole series is probably using 90% of the same chip. So you're selling the same chip for more price, but you're only selling the software that's been put on it. That's the only thing you're really selling is the software that's put on it. Anything changed about the chip? No, there ain't nothing that changed about the chip. Prove me wrong. Send me a video card that's from the past to now in the same generation, and I guarantee they will have the same markings. You can go on many sites and look for the specs on these cards, looking on the processor of the GPU, and I mean, that's some of the reason why I don't like discrete graphics cards, is because it's a rip. Especially the one I just showed you. I spent $100 on one of those graphics cards. I got two of them, and it's still a rip. I mean, I thought they were gonna be great. They're 4 gig. I thought to myself, oh, they're 4 gigs. But anyway, I wish EVGA the best of luck, and I hope on their business adventure they get what they're looking for. I'm sure they will, and I'm sure in time when everybody's done speculated out what they're going to do something different. So just don't count it out just yet. Business, you got to understand about business, it turns like a screw. It can turn one way, it can turn another within a matter of seconds. Somebody can come up with another ID, boom. Guess what? They're back in the game. So don't count them out just yet. Wait until the end of the game to see what it's going to be. You can speculate to it, but just wait to the end. That's my 2 cents on this take. But anyway, like and subscribe, and if you like my videos, believe it or not, if you like my videos and you like a talking head video, just let me know, and I'll make more talking head videos than trying to make anything else. Because right now, that's about the way prices are. That's about what you're going to get. But I'll have some build videos and everything else in there too. So y'all just stick around, and we'll have more of them. So yes, like and subscribe, and the more that subscribe, and leave your comments and everything else. Hey, I leave this open for you guys. You want to leave a comment, it's not going to hurt my feelings to read them. So if you want to leave them, that's up to you. It's appreciated. I'm just going to say like that. It is appreciated. So But I'm only trying to keep my videos between 15 and 17 minutes because YouTube, starting out new, they're only going to allow you a certain amount of minutes for each video. And unless they change the rules, and if they change the rules, please let me know in the comments below. So that way I can take and modify my videos and make them a little bit longer for y'all. The more, I want to try to get them up to about 45 minutes. So this way you get everything on one video. Instead of me doing part by part by part by part. Like I'm doing now. But anyway, like and subscribe. Hell, what's it going to hurt? What is it going to hurt? It's going to better my channel so I can get better equipment. It's going to help me get better stuff, more content for you all, more stuff for more content and everything else. And it will help me better this channel. And trust me, I will better this channel. The more people that subscribe, I promise you, I promise you, I will better this channel. Okay, but for now, I got what I got to work with. So you either want to work with me and help me out and subscribe, or you don't. I'm not going to twist your arm, but it is appreciated. But anyway, until the next time, we will talk to you later. And do have a great night.